If you're marketing your own business, don't make this mistake. So many businesses will treat their social media as an afterthought, thinking that it's just posting. If you have no digital footprint, it doesn't matter any amount of advertising that you throw at it, through ads or whenever you want to move something. You've got no digital footprint. You have no trust with your audience. What can you leverage? What happens is they get into a situation where they need to move stock quickly or they need to build their business, etc. And they think the answer is, hey, let's just chuck 20K on advertising. I say, okay, great. Where are we bringing people back to? Where's the social proof? Where's the, what have we got to work with? We have a look at their assets, like their social media proof, etc. And there's nothing. Like, how can we run a campaign with that? It doesn't matter what money you throw at that. People click on an ad, suss out the brand, and you've had this page open for 7 years and you've put 4 posts on it. There's no social proof. There's no reviews. There's no soul. There's no life. And you want to go and sell a $10,000 product. Unfortunately, you cannot rush a digital footprint. It needs to be with time and respect. You need testimonials. You need love. You need care in it. And then you've got something to leverage when you really need to. If you need to inject a little soul and passion into your social media, get in touch.